Wisdom Powerful Boost. Motivational quotes. Welcome to my Wisdom Powerful Boost channel.
Knowledge ignites prosperity. The Path of Abdul Kalam, at Wisdom Powerful Boost. For great men, religion is a way of making friends. Small people make religion a fighting tool. Once your mind stretches to a new level, it never goes back to its original dimension. While children are struggling to be unique, the world around them is trying all means to make them look like everybody else. No matter what is the environment around you, it is always possible to maintain your brand of integrity. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. There are forces in life working for you and against you. One must distinguish the beneficial forces from the malevolent ones and choose correctly between them. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear. When learning is purposeful, creativity blossoms. When creativity blossoms, thinking emanates. When thinking emanates, knowledge is fully lit. When knowledge is lit, economy flourishes. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. When we tackle obstacles, we find hidden reserves of courage and resilience we did not know we had. And it is only when we are faced with failure do we realize that these resources were always there within us. We only need to find them and move on with our lives. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. All God's creatures are His family, and He is the most beloved of God who tries to do most good to God's creatures. Success definition: when our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. Knowledge ignites prosperity. The Path of Abdul Kalam, at Wisdom Powerful Boost.
Friends, please like, share, subscribe and comment.
Wisdom Powerful Boost. Motivational quotes. Welcome to my Wisdom Powerful Boost channel.